Hey there, viewers! We all want to live long, happy, and healthy lives. Our diet makes a huge difference. Ever wonder what foods people eat in countries with the lengthiest lifespans? In today's video, we'll be talking about this. Do they eat nuts? If they do, which ones? Why are almonds preferred? What about pistachios? Can leafy greens help you live longer? Should you use more olive oil in cooking? What about blueberries and purple sweet potatoes? We'll be talking about all of these and more. Nuts. Be honest, when was the last time you ate a bowl of nuts? Nuts are packed with unsaturated fats. They also have the all-important omega-3 fatty acids. These are helpful in making sure your LDL cholesterol, also referred to as bad cholesterol, stays low. Nuts are also rich in nutrients, especially fiber. Fiber can control your cholesterol levels. It also helps stabilize your blood sugar levels. Nuts come with antioxidants, which fight free radicals, reducing your risk of oxidative damage. They also have anti-inflammatory properties. Nuts are good for maintaining a healthy gut. We don't mean to get into your bathroom habits, but it bulks up your stool and softens it. This makes things much easier when you go to the toilet. Eating nuts instead of other unhealthy snacks can also help with your weight management. Out of all the nutritious nuts out there, almonds are the best for your health. They come packed with vitamin E as well as riboflavin. These are essential to maintain your skin health and vision. Almonds and pistachios are rich in manganese. Pistachios also have other important minerals such as phosphorus and potassium. Walnuts also have a pretty impressive nutrition profile. They're an excellent source of copper, manganese, and magnesium. Your body needs copper to produce enzymes involved in energy production and neurotransmitters. Copper also boosts your immunity and helps your blood vessels develop. Walnuts are also very beneficial for your heart and have been shown to reduce several heart disease risk factors. This includes elevated blood pressure, blood cholesterol, and high triglyceride levels. You can also eat pecans. These mild nuts go well with cakes, pies, salads, and grains. Pecans are a rich source of healthy fats, dietary fiber, zinc, manganese, and vitamin B1. They're an especially good source of zinc, which plays an important role in immune function, wound healing, DNA synthesis, and growth and development. Pecans also benefit your heart health. In an 8-week study, people at risk of heart disease were given pecans to eat daily. After a certain amount of time, their LDL cholesterol and triglyceride levels reduced significantly. Macadamia nuts aren't bad either. These buttery textured delicious nuts are loaded with healthy fats, thiamine, manganese, and copper. Plus, they're low in carbs, which makes them an excellent addition to your low-carb diets. Leafy greens. I know this isn't what you want to hear, but you're going to want to start eating more leafy greens. It's a rough task considering many of us have avoided things like spinach since we were children. It's almost hardwired into our brain to stay away from leafy greens. Well, you're going to have to unlearn that stuff. Leafy greens are one of the keys to a long life. They're rich in vitamins and minerals, but low in calories. They're packed with fiber and also reduce the chances of heart attack or high blood pressure. Leafy greens specifically have folate. This is a B vitamin needed for production of DNA and RNA in your body. It makes sure there's proper cell growth and allows the cells to function properly. Folates are specifically needed during the growth phase. This includes pregnancy all the way to a child's adolescent stage. Kale is the best source of folate. Even just a cup of cooked kale can give 20% of the body's daily requirement. Leafy greens also have vitamin C and K. Citrus fruits are seen as the best source of vitamin C, but leafy greens are also rich with vitamin C. 1 cup gives you as much as 25% of your daily requirement. Your body needs a good amount of vitamin K to help with bone metabolism. It also helps prevent blood clots. Luckily for you, leafy greens have a good amount of vitamin K. Olive oil. Olive oil is predominantly used in Mediterranean countries such as Greece, Italy, and Spain. It's a key part of what is known as the Mediterranean diet. Olive oil is packed with monosaturated fatty acids, which are good for your heart. Research has found that having just half a teaspoon of olive oil is beneficial. Results of that study showed participants had a 20% lower chance of coronary heart disease. Olive oil is also rich in polyphenols. These polyphenols are mostly found in plant foods. They can act as antioxidants and make sure there's no cell damage or inflammation. The oil can also reduce your chances of type 2 diabetes. In one study, it was seen that participants had a 40% reduced risk of diabetes when they had a diet that was rich in olive oil. Purple sweet potatoes. The purple sweet potato is packed with nutrients. The potato gets its color from a pigment known as anthocyanin. This pigment also acts as a powerful antioxidant that can help boost your immune system, as well as reduce the chances of inflammation. The purple sweet potato is also a good source of fiber. As a result, purple potatoes promote your gut health, which gives you a much smoother bowel movement. You can avoid conditions such as constipation and diarrhea. The antioxidants present in purple sweet potatoes can also help reduce oxidative stress. After a while, your chances of getting cancer will be reduced. Blueberries. Blueberries are great for snacking. Instead of eating unhealthy foods, you can have blueberries whenever you feel a bit hungry between your meals. They can also be used in dessert recipes and sweet little treats. Blueberries also carry anthocyanins, which help reduce the risk of a number of diseases. With blueberries, you can manage your weight. The fruit also helps with neuroprotection. These berries are packed with nutrients but are low on calories. The antioxidants in blueberries can protect your cells from oxidative stress, reducing DNA damage. They also help reduce the risk of getting cancer. Oxidative stress can also be harmful when you have higher amounts of LDL cholesterol. If the cholesterol gets oxidized, it leads to heart disease. You can make sure this doesn't happen by eating more blueberries. The berries also reduce your blood pressure levels. They can improve your memory and slow down your brain's aging process. In a study of more than 16,000 adults, it was seen blueberries can delay mental aging by more than 2 years. Beans, pulses, and legumes. Plant-based diets should include beans and legumes. They're packed with protein while also providing a good number of vitamins and minerals. Trying to get in shape? Beans can also help you lose weight. Beans should be eaten with rice. The combination would complete all of our body's protein needs along with essential and amino acids. You get all this without having to deal with saturated fats, which are part of meat products. Beans and legumes are also packed with fiber and complex carbohydrates. This helps promote your gut health and aids in the digestion process. It also makes sure your body gets a steady amount of energy throughout the day. Beans fall low on the glycemic index. This means they raise your blood sugar levels a lot slower. This makes beans a great food to manage your diabetes. In one study, participants were given a diet with beans and a diet with red meat. Participants who ate beans showed much lower levels of insulin and blood sugar. There's a wide variety of beans. You can use them in a ton of different recipes, which means you'll never get bored of them. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are an important part of most diets. If you're not eating enough tomatoes regularly, you should start adding them to your recipes. Tomatoes are packed with antioxidants, especially lycopene, which is responsible for their color. If your blood has higher levels of lycopene, you have a much smaller level of bad cholesterol. At the same time, HDL cholesterol or good cholesterol will also go up. The combination will improve your heart's health. The high amount of lycopene can also reduce the chances of cancer. Research has shown they can be effective against prostate and stomach cancer specifically. Tomatoes are also high in fiber and water content. The water content helps make sure you remain hydrated. The fiber in tomatoes improves your digestion and prevents the chances of constipation and diarrhea. Tomatoes also boost your immunity levels. This is because of the vitamin C present in them. A medium-sized tomato gives you as much as 20% of the vitamin C you require on a daily basis. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is quite a popular food, especially among people who are health conscious. It's one of the foods you need to eat on a regular basis if you want to live into your 80s. Oatmeal is packed with fiber, which is good for your gut. The B vitamin and iron present in oatmeal also help regulate blood sugar levels and maintain a healthy heart. In one study, it was seen that eating oatmeal rich in fiber can bring down your LDL cholesterol levels. As a result, it reduced the chances of heart disease among adults who had been suffering from high cholesterol. Other studies have shown that if you eat more oatmeal, your chances of an early death will go down significantly. This is especially good news for families who have a history of heart disease. Eating healthy foods can definitely help boost your health, but sometimes even healthy foods can do more damage than good. Let's keep the conversation going with a couple more food-related videos, shall we? Here's what you need to know. Watch our video on 16 exotic foods that can actually kill you. You can also try 13 foods to avoid at all costs if you want a healthy liver. Go ahead, click one, or better yet, watch both and learn more about how your diet directly affects your health. Did you know about these health-boosting foods before watching this video? Let us know in the comments below.